Let me introduce myself. I am Felina Jones, and I am a sales affiliate for Buskin Leggings, known as the Legendary Shop. We at Buskin are selling leggings and looking for new affiliates. It isn't direct sale. There is no monthly fee, no quotes, and no stock. The leggings are cute, durable, and so soft. We currently have sizes ranging from baby to woman plus size. Leggings are priced from $12 to $25. It is a $20 enrollment fee to become an affiliate, and you get 25% commission for all sales, plus $5 of your referral sales. If you choose to recruit and have others join the team, you get $5 per affiliate. Buskin carry lightweight leggings, fleet lined leggings, and even fur lined leggings for those unbearable winter areas. Oh, did I forget to mention, you get a 25% discount on all leggings that you order for yourself. Message me on Facebook, email me, or text me and say, I am ready to sign up. My Facebook address, email address, my cell phone number, and my website address will be listed at the bottom of this video. Let me show you a few of the leggings that I have with me right now. This is a pair of the kids' leggings. And I have another pair of the kids. Pair of the adult leggings. One more pair of the adults leggings. Aren't they all gorgeous? I just love them. Come and join me, and don't forget to place your order. I will see you later. Bye.